What's up, guys? Here's a video on how to install the M4 muffler box delete kit. It's just that one piece right there. I didn't decide to get the muffler too, or the silencer, sorry. I already have some sort of Amazon slip-on one on there, and there's not much difference between them. I have the spark arrestor out of this one, and the muffler box is still on, so I'm gonna start it up, give you the before, and then show me taking it off, taking it all apart, and yeah, so stay tuned. All right, we're starting it up here. Gonna let it warm up a little bit. Let's see here, we're pretty low here. But, yeah. 2006 Yamaha R6 50th anniversary edition. And yeah, 30 minutes. Just put a new sprocket chain on. I don't have 94 in it right now, so it might be put out a little bit of smoke, but that's normal, especially when it's warming up. Sick. My back feels freaking it's not spinning the greatest right now, but that's all an easy fix. It's just because of my brake. And yeah, so let's get to putting the new one on. Okay, so I got everything off. I took the honeycombing out of the headers and got everything back put together. It's gonna be start up. The silencer's not on. Very good. That should be okay. Should have enough back pressure. Sounds way deeper and way louder. Guys, so after all, bike sounds fucking amazing. I love it. It's totally worth the $300 to get the muffler box eliminator kit. And yeah, I think everyone should do it. It's so loud. You can hear it from miles away. It's just truly incredible. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them, even though obviously, or not obviously, but I might not know the answer to them. But yeah, so I got new head gaskets, like that's what they called it on eBay, but it's where the header goes into the cylinder. There's like this little copper thing, and you're supposed to replace those, so I waited for those, and yeah, sounds great. Got the new chain sprocket on. Mint. All right, guys, if you want any more videos or anything, leave it in the comments. See ya.